Here's how to fix incoming and outgoing calls not working on Android. Now, if you're trying to make a call and it's just not going through or keeps dropping or someone's trying to call you, I'll show you how to fix both instances. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is navigate to your settings. So let's swipe up from here and tap on your settings. Once you're in your settings, we're going to go to two different places. The first place is we're going to scroll down until you find the option for General Management and tap on that. Within General Management, if we scroll down to the bottom, is a reset option. So just tap on that, and we're not going to reset your entire phone. However, if you scroll down, you can see the option to reset mobile network settings and tap on that. It says this will reset all your mobile network settings and hit the blue button. Now, the reason why we're doing this is essentially your SIM card or your information associated with your phone and how it connects to mobile carriers around might need to be reset and just reconfigured. So basically it says it will reset all those mobile network settings. You may not be able to connect to a mobile network anymore. Keep in mind when you do this, you may need to just reinitiate your SIM card with your carrier. So that's the first step, is you can try to reset this. However, the second step involves going into the phone app itself. So let's go back to the beginning here, and you're going to find the option for apps and tap on that. Now, within apps, you're going to find the phone app that you make calls on. So let's scroll down until we get to the section for P and tap on phone. Now on here, we're going to do two different things. The first one is we're going to check the permissions. So the second option, tap on permissions. And you need to make sure, of course, that your phone app has permission to use your phone and your microphone, all of that stuff. So you can see here, phone, you want to make sure, of course, it's set to allow, in addition to call logs, the cameras, contacts, SMS. At the very bottom, you can see I don't have access to calendar, location, music, and photos and videos. You don't necessarily need those just to make a call, but you do want to make sure it's allowed on the top ones, basically the top list. Now, after we've done that, let's go back out of here and let's scroll down until you get to the option for storage and tap on that. Now on here, we'll do two things. The first one is we'll clear the cache. So tap on that to clear the cache. But the second thing is we're going to clear the data. Now keep in mind, this just resets the phone app back to as if you just downloaded your Samsung or your Pixel phone within Android. It'll basically just bring it back to factory default within that phone app itself, a lot of times fixing a lot of issues. So let's just hit clear data, and it says it will be deleting everything, all files, settings, accounts, databases. So make sure you're okay with deleting the call logs and all that stuff. But when you're ready, just hit delete here, and I'll show you that it works. Let's hop out of here and open up the phone app here. And now all I need to do is dial a number. So I'm going to dial a number, and you can see once I do dial it and hit call, it will go through and actually start calling that phone. You can see it started going through to my other iPhone, and everything looks good. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.